Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss with you about endemism. Endemism is an ecological state of being unique to defined geographic location such as an island, nation, lake or mountain range. Endemism is an ecological state of being unique. Unique means the animal or plant is found in particular location or particular area. What kind of location? Such as island, nation, lake or mountain range. Endemism is restricted in geographical distribution to an area or region. The area or region can differ in size and defined or identify in different ways. Endemism is restricted in particular geographic distribution. Endemism is restricted in particular area because this species of plant and animal is found in particular region or specific region. Endemism is an ecological classification in that it describes the range of or distribution of species or a group of species. And endemism does not limit in single species, but it also include group of species. A species found naturally in only one geographic area is termed as an endemic species. Physical, climatic and biological factors are affect to endemism. Endemic plants are special because they are found in only one location on the planet and nowhere else. Causes of endemism. First one is poor adaptability. Poor adaptability means quality of being adjust in new condition. Some plant species or some animal species does not have ability or adaptability to set or adjust in new condition. So it is cause of endemism. Second one is changing in climatic condition. For example, climatic condition means if climate will change, it also may affect the plant or animal species of particular area. For example, in specific area, temperature is about 20 to 22 degrees Celsius. It is normal temperature. But after certain period of time, this temperature is increased and it becomes 28 to 30 degree. Certain period means after 10 year or 20 year, this temperature is increased. And in this kind of situation, plant or animal of this region face problem. And some of them can't survive in this situation. So, changing climatic condition also cause endemism. Third one is geographical barriers. Geographical barriers, it can be, that means the changing in geographical areas. Changing means mountain region. There is difference between mountain region and water body. There is difference between mountain and ocean region. So it is geographical barrier. It can be mountain range, gulf or any kind of water body. Then change in land use cover or fragmentation. Land cover means loss of natural area or particularly loss of forest to urban. That means the particular land is forest in past and now it becomes urban area. So it is change in land use cover. It also causes endemism. Then narrow ecological amplitude. Narrow ecological amplitude are the limits of environmental condition within which the organism can live and function. Ecological amplitude is area in which organism can live and function, but this ecological area become narrow, so it also causes endemism. Types of endemism. There are basically two ways of species to show endemism in certain region. First one is paleoendemism. Paleoendemism refers to a species that was formerly widespread but now restricted to smaller area. The restriction of species in a pocket due to physical barriers like deserts, mountains, sea, etc., or change in a climate or soil type. Paleoendemism refers to species that was formerly widespread but now restricted to smaller area. For example, Asiatic lion. Asiatic lion is widespread in all over India, but now it is present in particular pocket. It is present in Gir and Girna region. So this species is known as this species is known as paleoendemism. Paleoendemism is in this type of endemism the restriction of species in a pocket due to physical barriers like desert, mountain, sea, and it is also affect that change in land cover because the land cover is changed. Forest land is become urban land. For example, before human, large predators were widely distributed across the world. Predators are widely distributed across the world before human. As human society become more organized, large predators were driven away from society and they are now restricted in limited range or area. The predators are now restricted in forest area. So it is called paleoendemism. Second one is neoendemism. A plant or animal species or genus that is indigenous to a certain environment, but now that has not yet successfully settled and is thus limited in range. Neoendemism are usually closely related to other species and genera of surrounding flora and fauna. Plant or animal species or genus is indigenous. Indigenous means it is present in certain area. It is strictly present in certain area and nowhere else. But that has not yet successfully settled. But these species are not yet successfully settled in that area, and so it found in limited range. So it's called neoendemism. The example of neoendemism is island. Island is a place which is surrounded by water. Island provide an interesting and isolated ground for development of new species because it is out of the other area. It is surrounded by water. So it provide interesting and isolated ground for the development of new species. For example, a species of bird arrive on island. A species of tree is arrive on island by bird. At the first, the tree spread across all over island as one species. As evolution occur, now these species separated very much and represent different species by adaptation. For example, કોઈ એક બર્ડ છે એ બર્ડ થ્રુ કોઈ એક ટ્રી છે એ આઇલેન્ડ ઉપર આવે છે. એ ટ્રી છે એ ત્યાંનું એન્વાયરમેન્ટ છે એ એડપ્ટ કરી લે અને એડપ્ટ કરી અને પછી એ ત્યાં એસ્ટાબ્લિશ થઈ જાય. દેટ મીન્સ કે એ એનું એન્વાયરમેન્ટ છે એને એની સાથે અનુકૂલન સાધે અને એ ત્યાં એસ્ટાબ્લિશ થઈ જાય અને આખા આઇલેન્ડમાં એ સ્પ્રેડ થઈ જાય. જેમ જેમ એન્વાયરમેન્ટલ કન્ડિશન ચેન્જ થતી જાય તેમ તેમ એ સ્પીસીસ છે એમાં ઘણા બધા ચેન્જ આવતા જાય. એ સિંગલ સ્પીસીસમાં ઘણા બધા ચેન્જ આવતા જાય અને એ એડપ્ટેશન એટલે એ એન્વાયરમેન્ટલ ચેન્જને લીધે એ પોતે અનુકૂલન સાધે અને એ અનુકૂલનની સાથે એ સ્પીસીસ છે એ સિંગલ સ્પીસીસમાંથી ઘણી બધી સ્પીસીસમાં ડિવાઈડ થઈ જાય. So this is called neoendemism and it represents different species by adaptation. These are the endemic plants of India. First one is rhododendron. Second one is Beaumontia grandiflora. Third one is Eleusine corcana. Fourth, Clotolaria johnsia, Eagle marmelis, Caryota urena, Ficus religiosa, and Sesame indicum. These are the plants of India. First picture shows the rhododendron and second shows the Beaumontina grandifloria. These both species are found in Himalayan region. Then this Corcana and Urena. This is the palm tree, species of palm tree, and this is ragi plant. Eagle marmelis. It is in common language it is known as bell or golden apple or billy. This johnsia is found in Kerala and South region. Sesame indicum, it is, we all know about it, and Ficus religiosa is also we know about this plant. Thank you.